Guys, this is the Autohound here. I love cars and dogs. This is Shelton. What's the name of the rescue?
Fetching Hearts.
Fetching Hearts Rescue. Shelton is a beautiful dog. And remember, adopt, don't shop. Way to go, Shelton. You did great on camera. You made me look good. Good boy. Okay, you can tell. Good morning, welcome back to the Autohound. It is 6 a.m. here in lovely Norwood, Massachusetts. We are at Ferrari of New England and we are about to launch off on Dreamrides. You will see literally 250 cars in this amazing ride that we're going to be doing. These are all where the McLarens, the Lamborghinis, all those cars park. However, this is Ferrari Row. Here's a Ferrari Roma. 360 Modena, 488, another Roma. It's just Ferraris, Ferraris, Ferraris everywhere that you look. It's a great ride. It's for a great cause. It's Dreamrides, dreamrides.org. You definitely want to do this. It's a lot of fun. And you know, it goes to Special Olympics and those kids that are less fortunate and they never get a chance to ride in such nice cars. We go down, they give them rides in the cars. It's really neat. So I would highly recommend this particular event or even donating to Dreamrides. And as you can see, this is mostly all Ferraris here. Somebody did sneak in their GT2 RS, it looks like, which is sweet. GT3 RS, excuse me. And from the back. Very cool. Welcome to Dreamrides. Wow. You want to get goosebumps, folks? Come down and see this in person. This is crazy. Absolutely nuts. Gonna come right in on this Cadillac. Look at this. Wow. This is nuts.
The Topsfield Fair of car shows.
Wow.
Like cars as far as the eye can see.
Crazy.
You get a car, and you get a car, and you get a car.
Everybody gets a car. So a bird's eye view here of Dreamrides. That's going to be a few hundred cars. At least. 500, 600, 700. Look at this really cool purple Rolls Royce, blue Rolls Royce. I believe those are in the Michael Fuchs collection. Down here, the R8, the Pantera. This is crazy, huh? La Ferrari. The Ferrari. Monza. Another Ferrari. There's a 599XX. Ferrari La Ferrari. And over here is another Ferrari Monza. I do like the back of the Ferrari. It's a pretty color. 70th anniversary Ferrari, La Ferrari. The McLaren Elva. Yeah. Different color. Cool. That's a cold start on a McLaren Elva, folks. He's going to back it up. Watch out now. So this is a Dodge Hellcat at Dreamride Australia. So guys, support Dreamride. It's worldwide. So East Coast Run by Squad Driven is being represented very nicely here with this really cool Supra with an awesome wrap. It's supporting Larkin Motor Fund or Foundation and another Squad Driven vehicle. The new CC850 by Koenigsegg. This is brand new.
There's a fucking CCX right here.
This was just launched at Pebble Beach and they got it here already. Wow. Unbelievable. And here's a Rimac. I love this car. This is all electric. This is a Navara. Navara means storm in Arabic. This wrap, this 720S wrap is just unbelievable. That's really pretty. Very well done. This car is sponsored by Purina One. Very cool. Let's go inside and check everything out, shall we? Moving to the inside of the car. Very sweet. And here we are inside the Adopt a Pet. Look at the little ferret. Hello, little ferret. Over here, all the food that was donated by Purina. Very cool. Look at all this stuff donated by Purina. Amazing job here, and good guys. Keep up the good work. Remember, adopt, don't shop. Here's the Maserati Grecale. There's only one of 12 in the country right now. This is the first Maserati hybrid in America. Available in GT, Modena, and the Trofeo. Best in class legroom hybrid model. Look at this. I love the little handle here. Very, very minimalist. Sorry I'm ranking the music, so it's pretty loud. Only has 3,900 miles on it. I can't drive this one because we're in the car show. However, start-stop button is right here. Your drive mode. All of your phone features. Cruise control features. Grecale is a wind in Italy. Look at that. Watch this open. That's gorgeous. Nice little center console. The Trident. Beautiful car. Look at this. This is very nice. Can't wait to drive this one. And you push right here to open the doors. So right there, push. Really neat. This is very nice. And here, I assume this, the gas, this is a hybrid engine. This is very neat. Here's the front of the Grecale. I had to tune out the background music. It was just horrible. This looks like the MC20, doesn't it? So here is the AMG GT Black Series. Look at this thing. gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.
Here to the blue.
BMW GT4. The Michael Fuchs collection once again. Look at the blue on this. I really love this. So here we have a Superbird, a Roadrunner Superbird. Here's the original sticker price, $4,863. This particular vehicle is unbelievable. You know, you take a look at it and you're like, oh my goodness, this is great. It's an amazing car. The color yellow is just gorgeous on it. Really, really cool. There's the inside with the Hurst shifter. Sorry guys that I had to do this with, because look at this. The Pink Panther is driving the car, and there's Wile E. Coyote on the wheel. Really neat little Roadrunner. All right, so Bugatti Chiron Super Sports.
Yes.
Another Chiron.
Yeah. All the way.
Another Chiron. I believe this is the Pure Sport. Yeah, Pure Sport. All right, guys, we saw this one down in Greenwich. This is the Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. All right, so here's my favorite cars. The Pagani Huayra BC.
That's probably like $50,000 to replace.
The Huayra Roadster. Another Huayra Roadster. Huayra BC in emerald green. And the Huayra Roadster Pagani 1. Love, love, love these cars. If you like this type of content, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, it's about the drive.